Good morning, everyone. So, I am teacher Joseph and I am your math teacher. So, today is our 25th day of our online math class. So, last video we talked about this one. So, we have introduction, and today we will continue with our topic about time. So, we are on time. So, kids, get your book, your math workbook, and open it on page 93. 93. Okay, let's answer the activities. Okay, let's start. 93, letter A. Write the following times according to the 24-hour system. So letter A and letter B. So we have to answer to write the time in words and in numbers. Okay, so that is for 24-hour system. Then on letter B, that is the 12-hour system. So let's have an example first. So here we have a clock, midnight to noon and noon to midnight. So this means this is the morning and this one is in the afternoon or at night. Okay, so let's look at the clock. Remember, this is a 24-hour system. So if you look at the clock, look at the shorthand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that is 10, right? Then the minutes, the longhand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time, if it is in the morning, is 10:30 hours. Okay, 10:30 hours. So if you write that in words, that will be 10:30 hours. Okay, next one, if it is in the afternoon or at night, just add 12. So 10 plus 12, that is 22, 30, 22, 30 hours. So that is 22, 30 hours. So that is the difference. So if for the 24-hour system, if you write that in words or in numbers, so there is hours. Okay? Okay, so that is the example. Now, okay, let's answer. Let's go to number 1. Number 1. So number 1, let's go back. So this one, the clock. So if you look at the small hand, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is 11, right? Then let's count the minutes. That is 5, 10, 15, 15, 16, 17. So that means it is 11.17 hours. So if you write that in words, that is just copy 11:17 hours. So just the normal one if you read numbers, 11:17 hours. Okay, let's go to afternoon or at night. So noon to midnight. So just add 12, 11 plus 12, that is 23, right? So that will become 23:17 hours. So if you write that in words, that is 23:17 hours. Okay, easy, right? Okay, let's go now to number 2. So number 2, let's look at the clock again. The small hand points at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So it's 9. Okay, that's right. 9. Dot. Okay. So let's count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So that means that is 9.22 hours. Right? So that is 9.22 hours. So if you write that in words, that will be 09:22 hours. So you read the O here. Okay? 22 hours. So that is midnight to noon. Then let's go to noon to midnight. So 9 plus 12, how much? Yes, that's 21. So 21 dot 22 hours. So if you write that in words, that will be 21 20 dash 1 20 dash 2 hours. So 21 22 hours. Very good. Okay, let's go now to number 3. Number 3, let's look again at the clock. Okay, so if you look at the clock, 1, 2, is it 2? Is the small hand points at 2? Not yet, because if this long hand points at 12, that will become 2 o'clock. But it is not yet, so that is still 1. Okay, 1. Then let's count the minutes. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, so that is 1. Okay, let's write 1.48 hours. Okay, wait. Okay, so that is 01.48 hours. So again, in 24-hour system, it is very important to have 4 digits. Okay, because you will use that when you write in words. Remember, 4 digits. So this is only 148, so you add 10 in front. Okay, how to read that? That is 0148 hours. Very good. So that's it. Don't forget the dash if it is 2 digit. 0148 hours. Next, noon to midnight. Again, add 12. So 1 plus 12, that is 13. So the answer is 13.48 hours. So in words, you have 13 40-8 hours. Okay, so same, just add 12. Okay, that's it. Then last one, let's go to number 4. Number 4, let's look again at the clock. Okay, so the small hand points at 6, so that means it is 6:06, right? 06 dot. Okay, so let's count the minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 06. Okay, that's right. 0604. Okay. Okay, so the answer is 06.04 hours. So if you write that in words, how do you write that in words? Okay, 0604 hours. So that's it. 0604 hours. Okay, so the 0 is not read as 0. That is O. Okay, O. Okay, let's go now to noon to midnight. Okay, so noon to midnight, just add 12. So 6 plus 12, how much? Okay, that is 18. So that means the answer for noon to midnight is 18.04 hours. So in words, you have to just write the 18:04 hours. So that's it. 18:04 hours. Very good, grade 3. So we are finished with the first letter. Let's go now to the 12-hour system on letter B. Okay, let's continue to letter B. Okay, answer. So write the following times according to the 12-hour system. So this is the 12 hours. So this is different from letter A because that is for the 24-hour system. This one is for the 12-hour system. Example. So this is the clock. So again, let's count until the hours. That's 10. Then the minutes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that is 30. That means the time is 10:30. Okay. Okay, see the difference already? For the 24-hour system, we use the hours. So if this is 10:30, that is 10:30 hours, right? Then we add 12, that will become 22:30 hours. But it's different from the 12-hour system. You remember the antemeridian and the postmeridian, the AM and the PM? That's the difference. Okay, the difference on how to write the time. So if it has AM and PM, that means it differentiates from the morning and the afternoon. So if you write the AM, it is understandable already that it is in the morning. Then if you write the PM, it's either afternoon or at night. Okay, so if you write 10:30 AM, so it's already morning. If you write 10:30 PM, it's at night. Okay. Okay. So you don't have to write you don't have to add 12. So it is still the same, 10:30 a.m., 10:30 p.m. Just the a.m. and p.m. is the difference. Okay, so 10:30 a.m., if you write that in words, that will be 10:30 in the morning. Okay, in the morning. If you read the a.m., you don't write 10:30 a.m. It is read as 10:30 in the morning. Okay, how about this one? 10:30 p.m. So it is read as 10:30 at night. Why did we write at night? Why didn't we write in the afternoon? It's because there is no afternoon for 10:30. It's already nighttime. So nighttime starts at 6 p.m. Then going to 11:59 p.m. It's already night. But if you say afternoon, it starts from 12:01 in noontime, 12:01 until the 5:59. That's afternoon. So 10:30 is beyond, so that is already at nighttime. So 10:30 at night. Very good. So let's try answering the numbers. Let's read. Number 1. So number 1, we have the small hand points at 7, right? So that will become 7. Okay. Okay. Next, the minutes. Oh, it didn't change. It points at 12. So we know that if it points at 12, that is 0, 0. Okay, so 7, 0, 0. Okay, do you follow? Okay, so if you write that one, that is 7. Again, in the 24-hour system, we need to write in 4 digits. But in 12-hour system, you don't have to because we don't add 12. So that is 7 a.m. Okay, if you write that in words, that is read as 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, this is read not as 0, 0, but as o'clock. Off the clock. 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, very good. Then in nighttime or in the afternoon, so 7 is still 7, but p.m. 7 p.m. So again, afternoon ends at 5:59. So this is already 7. So it is already in the evening or at night. So 7 o'clock in the evening, that's the answer. So at night is also correct. Okay, 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, very good. So that is how to answer. Number 2. Let's go to number 2. So let's read. So the hour is 5. So that is 5. Okay, let's write. Then let's count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that means it is 5:23. Correct? So answer for number 2 is 5:23. This is morning, so a.m. In words, that is 5:23 in the morning. Same. 5:23 in the morning. Then how about the next one? Same, just change this one to PM, 5:23 PM. Then in words, that is 5:23 in the evening or in the afternoon. So that is afternoon also. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go to number 3. Number 3, this one, it is not yet 12 because it is not pointing to 1 yet, right? So it is still 12. So 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that is 12:40 a.m. because it's in the morning. So 12:40 a.m., if you write that in words, that is 12:40 in the morning. Okay, that is midnight. 12:40 in the morning. Then noon to midnight, same 12:40 p.m. So 12:40 in the afternoon. So it's already at noon time. So 12:40 p.m. or 12:40 in the afternoon. Okay, very good. Let's go now to number 4. Number 4, the hour is at 3. Then the minutes is 5:10. So 3:10 a.m. Okay, 3:10 a.m. Then in words, that is 3:10 in the morning. Very easy, right? 3:10 in the morning. Then in the afternoon or at night, that is 3:10 p.m. or 3:10 in the afternoon. Okay, very good, kids. That's it. Then last number, let's go to number 5. So number 5, where is the hour? So is it 9? Not yet. So it's not yet pointing at 9. Look, it's pointing here. So it is still 8. So the time is 8 in hours. How about the minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. So the time in number 5 is 8:47 a.m. And in words, it is 8:47 in the morning. Okay, 8:47 in the morning. Then noon to midnight. So that is 8:47 p.m. or 8:47 at night or in the evening. Okay, 8:47 at night. Okay, so that's it. Okay, before we end, let's review first. So in time, we have 2-hour system, the 12-hour and the 24-hour system. So if you read that and if you write that, remember that 24-hour system has 4 digits. 4 digits and it is written as hours. So example, 8:17 hours. If it is morning, then add 12, that is 17 hours in the evening. Okay, or hours. So that is for the 24-hour system. Then for the 12-hour system, there is AM and PM. AM is in the morning and PM is in the evening. So that's a different one, but you do not add 12. So if it is 8:17 in the morning or AM, 8:17 AM, so it is still 8:17 PM if it is in the afternoon or at night. So it's the difference between the 24-hour system and the 12-hour system. So hope you remember that one. Okay, so that's it for now, grade 3. We will continue answering the exercises on our next meeting. Thank you, everyone, and keep safe. Goodbye.